Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Heather Monthi, and in today's video I'm going to share with you an introduction to drone blocks to learn drone programming. So I have my computer here in my lap. I want to dive into my computer so I can show you around the website, see all the different things that you can learn using drone blocks. Let's go. All right, so here we are on the Drone Blocks website. If you just click the link in the description box, it will bring you right to the Drone Blocks website. What's fantastic about this is there's a membership option for you. So you can become a member for only $5 per month. There is a mobile and desktop app. There's a lot of different curriculum available. And then if you are a teacher and you would like to get some professional development, you can also get the professional development through Drone Blocks on learning how to teach drone programming using drones. So if we scroll down here a little bit more, there's just some quotes for you to read. Go check out the social media. There's a lot of really good information on their, they have a Facebook community, so it's really good information in there. So make sure you check out their social media. So if I come back up here to the top and I click on curriculum, it's going to, I'm going to be logged in because I have an account. So I'm logged in here, and you can enroll for $5 per month. There is a promo video that you can watch, so go ahead and watch that if you would like to. What's really cool is that this is all the different stuff that you get with a Drone Blocks membership. $5 a month, $50 a year. You get access to all the Drone Blocks Tello and Tello EDU curriculum. If you're not sure on the similarities and differences of the Tello and the Tello EDU, I do have a YouTube video for that. I'll link to that in the description box below. And you can get over 75 lessons on block programming, Python, and JavaScript coding. So you can use other programming languages with the Tello EDU. You can use Swift, you can use Scratch. There's a couple of different programming languages that you can use with the drone, the Tello EDU drone. This is going to focus on block programming, Python, and then JavaScript. So there's going to use block programming using the Drone Blocks app. So they've developed their own proprietary app that works with the Tello EDU drone that you're going to use in these courses. So you're going to just look through here, check it out, see all the different things that they have. If you are trying to align to specific standards, they've got some lessons that are aligned to some universal education standards. And then it's got some membership perks. So you'll have access to the Drone Blocks Tello simulator. So this is great for those of you who maybe you don't have a Tello EDU drone just yet, or you want to practice the programming and flying the drone on the simulator before doing it in real life so that you don't crash it, break it, etc. So you can do that. And then there's some examples of the Drone Blocks code. So these are all the different courses that are included with your purchase. So this is fantastic. I'm super excited about this. I've gone through a couple of these already. I haven't gone through them all yet, but it is my intention to go through all these. So we've got OpenCV, Python, Drone Blocks, Tello, and Art presents dance. That's fantastic. We're bringing in STEAM there. Tello drone programming with Python. We're doing some Node-RED programming. And then introduction to Tello EDU drone programming, and then introduction to Tello drone programming. And then we've got advanced Tello programming and an introduction to JavaScript programming with Drone Blocks code, and then some additional challenges. So originally the price, if you were to buy all of these courses, was $392. You can get it for $5 a month, $50 a year now. So I'm very excited to offer this to you guys here on my YouTube channel, my blog. I think it's fantastic. I am going to do, I haven't just picked a day yet, but I'm going to do 100 days of code, but I'm going to do it programming drones. And I'm going to post about it on Twitter. I'll probably make YouTube videos about it too. But if you want to join me with the 100 days of code drone edition, I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates. I will be posting some of my daily progress on Twitter as well. Haven't picked a date yet. But I'll do so soon. So I'll see you guys in the next video.